Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a Bluetooth discovery on your Windows 10. So it's very easy. If you want to connect some wireless device, you need a Bluetooth. So all you have to do right now is open the settings button on your Windows 10 here. So you can use the devices here. You can click device and click Bluetooth and other devices here. So if you see the other device, I had to have a monitor and also wireless USB adapter, and here Bluetooth or other device you can click. So choose the kind of device you want to add. This is the Bluetooth. You can click it. So if you see this couldn't connect, it means, or this is here are something to try. On this Windows device, turn on Bluetooth. If the device supports Bluetooth but you cannot turn it on, try to update your driver. So you need to Bluetooth software, or you need Bluetooth dongle in your PC. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.